So hi guys, welcome to TV Subramanyam sir to Shreshta team. Now Shreshta team is becoming bigger at CA Inter and CMA Inter. By the way, before I discuss about sir, I also wanted to announce one good news. From July first week or probably second week maximum, we are also going to launch CMA Inter. So I thought of not revealing, but somehow it came out of somehow it came out. So fine. So DV Subramanyam sir is now our new corporate law faculty who will handle corporate law paper at CA Inter as well as CMA Inter. In fact, at CA Inter, corporate law faculty, corporate law subject, we both will handle. I will take some 2 or 3 chapters which will be common with audit subject. So those chapter I will be handling. Rest of the chapters sir will be handling. Like before I proceed further about technical stuff. So who is Subramanyam sir? So he is into teaching field as well as a practicing CA from past 3.5 years. In fact, Subramanyam sir is an all India level ranker at CA as well as CMA levels. And definitely he is having enormous command on the company law. Like whatever company law is there, on the company law, he's having a very good command on the subject. And now you are going to see a new corporate law style of teaching from Subramanyam sir, which the style is aligned with our Shrestha policy. You all know that many of our followers know we follow one uniform approach, in terms of teaching for all subjects. And slightly a faculty exclusivity will also be there. The same way, so Subramanyam sir is also going to follow one uniform structure like whatever we design, whatever we follow at Shrestha. So nothing but I call it as Shrestha standards. So his teaching style, he is going to align completely as per Shrestha standards. Whoever has seen his previous version of classes and now whatever the version that he's going to deliver from now, it is going to be completely different. I promise you will immediately see from the very first class itself onwards. And thank you very much, Subramanyam sir, for immediately accepting our request. In fact, the moment you spoke to me regarding the law classes availability, at the same time I'm also searching for a law faculty. The law faculty. I think it was a very big coincidence between us. And over into Subramanyam sir. Sir want to share some experience, like about us, whatever. Like he just want to talk few minutes.
So thank you, Harsha sir, for best introduction. So I know Harsha sir for the past 3.5 years we had good friendship, in fact, and from today onwards you are going to get new corporate law lectures at corporate level. And I know the Shrestha standards for both CA as well as CMA. I know him, his working style, his working environment is entirely different when I come across various type of people. So various work environment of people or anything. So from next lecture onwards, you are going to get the best corporate law classes at corporate level. And I'm very happy to work with my friend. I used to call Mr. Harsha, but still, okay, this from institute point of view. So he is a faculty and I'm also a faculty. So definitely I'll meet your
And
needs.
definitely, Subbu sir, like I need to tell you,
Hmm.
we are not having admissions just from AP Telangana. In fact, AP Telangana admissions are hardly 30 to 40% of our total admissions. We have
Yes,
from 20 states.
yes.
And I know very well you can do justice for all categories of
So
students. Yeah.
definitely. So student from CA point of view, whether he's from AP or from Telangana or from Tamil Nadu, South India or North India, every person should write a same paper. Every person should
Exactly.
get 40 marks. Every person should get 60 marks for getting exemption. So no, we won't classify students based on the language, and our reach is so total India. So definitely. So it's very once again I'm telling you that I'm very happy to work with Shrestha team members. So
Thank you. Yeah.
thank you, and I'm handing over mic to Mr. Harsha sir.
Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, I can't have another mic here because of the clarity of this mic is completely different from other mics. Okay, but anyhow, and thanks a lot for patiently watching. And we'll see. Our team is going to bigger even more. We are growing. We are becoming bigger day by day in terms of students or in terms of team, whatever. And our ultimate motive: bring coaching at most affordable price. At the same time, quality should be top notch. Okay, we are working in so many parameters. I think many of you have seen our journey from past 1.5 2 years. Many of you have seen our journey. You will see continuous improvement. I in fact take this word total quality management. Okay, in strategic management, the same principle we follow. That's it. And thanks a lot for patiently watching. Have a nice time. All the best.